Alright guys, y'all know what this means. Beautiful elevator, guys. See up the shaft. I can't zoom because I got a drink in my hand. Alright guys. Before we go on our little ride, let's take a little cab view of this beautiful thing. Beautiful day in downtown Salt Lake City here at the North Temple Station. Alright, we're gonna go up to 2. We're gonna watch the indicator turn to 2. Damn, it's gorgeous out here, guys. My love for elevator photography. There it is, guys. We're going back down now. Oh shit, don't want to drop my phone down there, but there's the shaft. Alright, we should get going. Let's push the button on the other side. Oh, let's watch that door close. Alright, we're gonna take a look at the cab view. See, we'll push number 1. Okay. Here's the cab view of going down. Alright guys. This will probably be the video conclusion of the elevator ride here at North Temple Station in Salt Lake City, Utah. Again, it's beautiful. Look at this elevator, guys. Diesel Ducey, you've inspired me to film elevators. This video is dedicated to you, Diesel Ducey.